Hello, and welcome to part 2 of What is a Trauma-Informed School? In our last video, we looked at the definition and a few elements of trauma-informed schools. We learned that a trauma-informed school culture is a psychologically safe place for students, families, and staff. Adults know how to recognize and respond to traumatic stress, and the school community is committed to maintaining a supportive environment for all interest holders. Today, we're going to look at the framework for organizing and applying trauma-informed practices in schools. Before we get started, let me introduce myself. I am Sabani Parcells. I coach new and struggling court and community school principals on creating safe, thriving, and trauma-informed learning environments for justice-engaged and opportunity youth. If you want to learn more about leadership in alternative school settings, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. What is a multi-tiered system of support, or MTSS? It is a continuum of evidence-based systematic practices to support a rapid response to students' needs. An MTSS describes how trauma-informed practices will be applied universally as a preventative measure, as well as how it will help those in need of more intensive support. The goal of a trauma-informed tiered approach is to create a school-wide environment that addresses the needs of all students, staff, administrators, and families who might be at risk for experiencing traumatic stress symptoms. Ways to fold trauma-informed practices into the school is to set aside time for intentional strategic planning, update policies and procedures, train staff, provide direct intervention with traumatized students, and build knowledge and communication. Let's look at the structure of the pyramid. Although the framework is divided into 3 neat parts, school communities are complex, so neither tier should be considered in isolation. The focus of the first tier, or bottom level, is to create a safe environment and promote healthy and successful students. In Tier 1, universal strategies are folded into the school community to support all interest holders. Strategies to consider include promoting a positive school climate, emergency management, psychological first aid, bullying prevention, secondary traumatic stress, or STS, education, and general wellness support. These strategies help to create and support safe environments as well as promote healthy and successful students and staff. Tier 2 starts to focus on early intervention and identifying students and staff who may be at risk of traumatic stress. Strategies may include screening students, group interventions, STS support, threat assessment, and peer support. In this way, schools identify and respond to students and staff who are at risk or have been exposed to trauma and/or loss appropriately. Finally, Tier 3 strategies are reserved for more intensive support, including intensive individual and family treatments and trauma-specific treatments. The aim in this tier is to provide support to students that meet their unique exposures, experiences, developmental, and personal needs. Other framework models can be used to organize and create trauma-informed schools. The important takeaway is that schools recognize the need for and begin to implement the trauma-informed approach in their school. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. You can also turn on notifications so you know when the next video is available. I'll see you the next time.